Connect more deeply with the Bible with the hashtag Bible Talk Journal genealogy page. This page is only available in the genre journals, but you can add it to the original journal by including it on the timeline page. We're going to enhance our memory with imagery. Time to get creative!